The dessert we're bringing you today is an absolute marvel. Super creamy, super fresh, perfect for summer. What more could you ask for? Lemon and Greek yogurt mousse. Super easy to make, and with a result. Wow! That will leave you speechless. Look how amazing it looks. And there you have that super creamy texture and the wow factor you'll get when you serve this at your table. The recipe we're bringing you today is perfect for summer. It's super quick to make, refreshing, has a lemon base you'll fall in love with, and a creaminess. Wow, that's truly wonderful. Here it is. Greek yogurt and lemon mousse, a real showstopper. I'm Viti. This is Grandma's Kitchen. Stay until the end because there will be some tips. Let's start with the gelatin. We need 3 sheets of neutral gelatin, which is about 6 grams. We leave the gelatin to hydrate in cold water and let it sit there while we prepare the rest of the recipe. We need 4 Greek yogurts, which is 500 grams. We're gonna pour them into a large bowl, which is where the magic of the recipe will happen. You'll see how easy it is. To this bowl, we're also going to add 80 grams of sugar, which is about half a cup. Even with 50 grams, it's sweet enough and turns out really delicious. If you want to use a calorie-free artificial sweetener, that's no problem. We mix it well and it's ready in no time. Now, let's move on to the whipping cream. 2 small cartons, which are 400 milliliters that we've kept chilled in the fridge. And we pour them into a bowl that we've also had in the fridge, so it's cold and whips up much better. Let's use the mixer, whip it up, give it some power, and in less than 3 minutes, it'll look like this. Well whipped and nice and creamy. The cream is perfect. Now we're going to add some flavor. Lemons, 2 big lemons. Of course, this dessert with lemon is amazing, but you can switch to another citrus fruit. With tangerine for the kids, they love it. With orange, everyone likes it. With lime, much bolder, mixing it all together, however you like. All citrus fruits work great with it. Here we go. First, we take the zest from one of the lemons. 1 is enough, just a little pile like this. We set it aside and keep extracting the juice. Or jugo. I don't know what you call it in your country. Where I'm from, we say zumo. We extract the juice from both lemons and set it aside. Here, we're gonna use it right away. First little trick, super easy. Give it a quick whisk with the hand whisk. Once you've added the lemon juice, that way it'll start to thicken much faster. See how easy it is? We go back to the bowl and add it to the mixture, always making sure to strain it so that no pulp or seeds from the lemons get in. There it is. I've got it. I keep using the hand whisk and mix everything together perfectly. Here's a little trick. To make the gelatin dissolve perfectly, heat up just a little bit of water and dissolve it in there. It's all about the order. That step takes second. I'm back with the gelatin, which by now is well hydrated. So a small glass, like I said, with hot water and just a little bit of water. You see, very little, just enough. So it dissolves, give it a stir, and it'll be dissolved right away. You add it to the mixture and keep mixing with a hand whisk so you don't make more of a mess than necessary. See how easy it is? Whoop. Third trick, do you have the whipped cream ready? Well, you need to add it to the mixture with gentle folding motions. That way, you make sure you don't add more air than necessary. Maximum creaminess. Now, it's time to add this perfectly whipped cream. We're going to do it using gentle folding motions in several batches. I'm gonna do it in 3 batches. I think 3 is enough. Alright, in goes the last bit I have left, and with the spatula and some skill. I'm making folding movements from the outside of our bowl to the inside until everything is combined into a delicious cream, which will be even better once it cools down. So don't rush. Don't go yet. There's still more, and if you've made it this far, it means you're enjoying the video. So don't leave without subscribing and giving me a super like. Hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me a lot to keep creating free content. Like this. My whole channel is free,
Subscriptions are free, likes are free, and hitting the bell is free. Come on, man, it doesn't cost you anything.
Choose the individual dessert cups you like the most and fill them up. See how easy it is? I'm gonna use these gigantic ones and I'll get 4. If you use the regular ones, you'll get at least 10. This recipe really goes a long way.
Final touch, the classic, a bit of lemon zest. But if you want to add a touch of color, mix lemon zest with orange zest and pistachios, and it'll look spectacular. I'm going the usual way. You choose. Cinnamon works well too. Grated chocolate works well too. Candied fruit works well too. Everything works. You choose what you like best.
So, here I go. Aromatic touch and a touch of color with lemon zest. You sprinkle it on top like this, and it's almost ready. The only thing you have to do is put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. But if you leave it overnight, it'll turn out this good. Look at this. Risas, lemon, mousse, and Greek yogurt. A feast for the senses. And now, with one in my hand, I'll show you how it looks in. Let me tell you, I left it overnight. Look, do you see how amazing it looks and the texture? See how it's changed. Besh? Creamy. It almost looks like ice cream, and as for the taste, wow, you can't even imagine. It's truly amazing. See how you can dig the whole spoon in and the result. You have to make this recipe. It's truly amazing. It's super easy and it always turns out great. Look, I'm gonna eat this one myself. So good. You have to try it. There you have how it turned out. Look, this is amazing. Check out how creamy it is.
I left it overnight.
So it turned out nice and thick with this fantastic mousse-like texture and a lot of flavor.
Incredible. What more can I say?
It's so good. You can taste the yogurt, you can taste the lemon, and it's amazing. You already know. I'll leave the ingredients for you somewhere around here, wherever they fit, also in the text box and throughout the video so no one gets lost and you can make this wonder at home. That's just because it's still morning. Having this as a dessert after lunch around 3 in the afternoon, this has to be amazing. For summer, it's a showstopper. Make it.
This is good.
Farfalloni, amoroso, notte giorno d'intorno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, l'arcisetto ad uncino d'amor, disturbing the beautiful ones in their rest, with the little bow